All right, under pressure out here with True Clean, and this is his new build. Let's check it out. I would say this is not your basic setup, but we're working with a 8 gallon a minute, 3500 psi skid. Pretty much the best of the best. You're not going to get any better than that. Everything's tied down. Not going to go anywhere. Fuel tank strapped down, tool bag strapped down, extra cans of fuel. This setup is we'll be working with on chemical tanks 60 gallons each. I believe
that
is it 100 gallon?
Yeah, 100
and 100 to 120 soft wash. You got your mix there. If you don't know your mixes by now, then you shouldn't be in the business. Working with 525 tank, buffer tank for large jobs. Check out the hose reel on the back. Got a soft wash reel. Got I guess this is a Summit reel, 300 foot of hose. Let's walk around here. We're gonna put a battery box over here. We got a simple setup here. That's all you need is your pump right into the reel, and everything's tied down nice and pretty there. Let's take a look at it from the back side. This is plenty of room to upgrade. That's why the space is down there like it is now. Got your dump valve, 2-inch. Check that out. But you never want to pull all your water. You're only going to pull maybe 20%. That's all you want to pull. You're not going to pull 525 gallons down the road. Let's take a look at up front, up close. Got another valve here, so you can turn this off, and then you can open up your other dump, and you're not going to lose your prime to your pump, which you want. You don't want to lose any prime to this pump. It's a high flow filter on this inline filter. As you can see, it's a banjo filter inline. It's a high capacity. Got the correct size hose. Got a 2-inch hose going to the pump, specially modified. Got a king nipple on there. Not going to starve this pump. But overall, this is a pretty badass setup. Gonna make some money with this bad boy. If you need a trailer, custom trailer, give me a call, 561-907-9541. If you need a service, call one of us. We'll have a link below. But there you go. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Talk to y'all later. Any questions? Hit me up.